Hello and welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to download the pCon.update DataClient and install manufacturer data. A quick note up front. To download the pCon.update DataClient and use manufacturer data in your planning process, you'll need a pCon login account and either the free marketing edition of pCon.planner or pCon.planner Pro. Before we dive into the download and installation process, it's important to understand the role of the pCon.update DataClient. In the pCon ecosystem, you work with configurable manufacturer data. Through your pCon login account, you can request this data from manufacturers to use it across various pCon applications. The pCon.update DataClient allows you to select which data should be installed in pCon.planner and ensures it stays up to date. You can download the pCon.update DataClient from the homepage of pCon Login. Click on Applications and select Computer and Notebook. Here you'll find the link to pCon.update. Scroll down and click on the green DataClient button to start the download of the free version. With the Pro version of the pCon.update DataClient, you'll benefit from automatic updates and many additional practical features. Once the DataClient is downloaded, double-click the file to start the installation process. Select your preferred application language and follow the instructions in the installation wizard. After accepting the license agreement, you can choose the installation path for the application. Complete the installation by clicking Install and then Finish. After installation, start the pCon.update DataClient using the desktop shortcut. Before you can install your subscribed manufacturer data, you need to sign in to pCon Login. Click Next to proceed and sign in using your browser. If you're already signed in, your login details will be transferred automatically. You'll then return to the pCon.update DataClient. If you'd like to be notified about manufacturer data updates, you can set this up in the Schedule Updates section. Define a time for the check, such as once per day in the morning or at the end of the workday. Click Accept to save your changes. On the Start screen, click Next. You'll see a list of relevant applications that need to be closed for the installation. If one of these applications is still open, a notification will appear. Close the open application, click Back, and then Next again. If this is your first time downloading manufacturer data, the DataClient will ask for an installation directory. By default, the installation is set to C Eastern Graphics. We recommend installing product libraries in this directory. Confirm your selection by clicking Next and OK. In the next dialog, a list of manufacturers available for your pCon login account will appear. Select individual manufacturers or all entries to begin the installation process. You can also request new manufacturer catalogs here. Click on Discover New Catalogs to go directly to the pCon login overview. By clicking Install, the data will be downloaded, verified, and finally installed. Finish the process by clicking Finish. When you start pCon.planner Marketing Edition or Pro, your manufacturer data will be available under the Products tab. Be sure to update your manufacturer data regularly to always have the latest products and price lists for your planning needs. For more information about manufacturer data, feel free to visit our blog, where we regularly share updates on new manufacturers and data releases. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.